So here I am with Ollie at our local drift club, and as you know, or if you follow the channel, is that we do like putting FPV cameras on lots of different things. And I know Ollie's been into drifting quite a while, haven't you, Ollie? Yeah. So I thought it'd be a good idea to put it on a drift car. So take the lid off, Ollie. Show them what you've done. You can see there, so you can.
So what I've done is, I don't know if you can see, but I've got the FPV in there, and it's a little bit DIY, but I've got a servo, a little WeMac servo on there.
So it actually moves on the servo with the steering to give it that more kind of realistic look when you're actually driving it around. So we've actually tested it out, and you've enjoyed doing it, right?
It goes really well.
So more difficult than line of sight, would you say, or the same, or easier?
The same, to be fair. If you had to get used to it, I'm sure you'd be fine.
Okay. You don't think maybe with the FPV it would allow you to get closer because you did the camera view, or still about the same?
I reckon it would feel closer. I don't know if you'd be able to get the same.
It'll certainly feel closer because you're inside the car. All right, so we're going to show you some of the footage now, some of the door banging action that we've achieved this evening, driving alongside some of the other cars here, and see what you think. Right, so Ollie's got the goggles on. You ready to go, Ollie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready?
Am I clear? I can't see, am I clear though?
Are you clear? Yes, you're clear. Go. Are we recording on board? Now? Ah, we're actually recording on board now. We'll let them through, Ollie. One more orange one, and one more, and go. What you should be able to do, Ollie, is do picture in picture. Synchronise the two. Oh, that was a massive wreck. Massive spin out, Ollie.
Yeah,
what was that about?
I was trying to get the back all the way out, but it's messed up.
You got silver BMW close up behind you.
Yeah, I just saw it.
You just did, yeah? Poked his nose in front. speak up.
That corner's really hard.
Oh, is it? The top end, yeah. What's the secret around that corner? Is it to just let it off the gas and let it slide all the way around?
I think take it wide and cut in.
Oh, okay. You go through it, John. Yeah. Don't worry about me. Oh! It's a real bodywork damage there, Ollie.
It's alright, it adds character.
It's going to cost you a bit of money.
Keep riding with the wheels.
Is it getting easier, Ollie?
Kind of.
You've got to laugh, everyone, at Ollie's seating position. This is so funny. You wouldn't sit like that in your car, would you? Looking at your crotch. But that's what you feel is the natural position, is it?
It's because you've got the weight of the goggles.
It's the weight of the goggles.
They're not
Rubbish.
I tell you what's going on then. I couldn't see the car for a second. Yeah, I'm going to do 20% more. I like it though. Wow.
Oh no.
Maybe a bit faster here.
Oh, I saw that one
He
coming.
span out right in front of them.
Yeah, I just saw him coming.
Terrible driving.
Going to give you a strong push, but it's good you're not looking 2 meters out of you. You're driving hard and you're looking at the car. You're not scoping around ahead. I've always got my car side eye and the car in front as well. It's only a light tap anyway, it looks worse on the camera, I bet.
Go and bring it in, Ollie. And left now. There you go. At your feet. How was that?
That was good fun.
That was a good 20 or 30 laps, I think.
You kind of lose track when you got the goggles on.
Yeah, all the focus.
Yeah, look, my tyre's coming up.
Do you think you were getting better and better while you were doing that, each lap by lap, do you think?
Yeah, I had a few hiccups here and there, but you kind of get used to it a bit. If I had a little bit longer, I think I'd be able to kind of progress more with it. But
Are there any adjustments you'd make to the setup in the car?
I think probably cut the front window out. Cut that out, because I don't know if you can see, it's really scratched. Looking through it, really, really blurry.
But I noticed, because I had a little go earlier, when the servo turns the camera, so you're looking out the side and there are no, because it is cut out slightly at the side, it's so clear, because even if there were no scratches on the glass, it would still be refracting the light a little bit and obscuring it. So I think maybe another shell with the transparent plastic totally cut out and it would look absolutely perfect.
I think as well, where the camera's got a really wide FOV, I think I'd probably move the camera just a little bit further back.
Oh, further back.
Because in a real car, it's kind of where you would sit, but where the camera doesn't turn as much as what I'd like. Kind of, your vision's cut at about half the side of the window, so it's really hard to kind of gauge where you're going. But for the most part, you can kind of tell by the front of your car that not too bad.
So for the first time out, it's been pretty successful, I think.
Yeah, it's gone better than what I thought it would.
All right. So thanks everybody. Thanks for watching Essential RC and our FPV projects. We'll be back soon for another one. Cheers, Ollie.
No problem. Thank you.